Welcome back again, everybody. Just showing off some more of the work that's been done over the last 2 days of progress. As you can see here, the upper part of the fascia is actually installed now, so you can actually see where the two strips of cedar are lapped over each other. Pardon the loose trimmed EPDM membrane hanging over, but I think tomorrow maybe the roofers are going to be back to put the actual drip edge back on, because they had to obviously finish that part first. There's just a little tiny bit from about the center of the fascia, or center of the screen over there where the upper fascia panel is kind of run short. They have to just add in a couple more pieces, and then once the fascia is done, they can actually put the copper drip edge on, which I think will look really cool. Very excited about that. As you can see, also the zip system, the insulation bonded to the sheathing, has all been put in around the windows in preparation for installing the windows later this week. Today is Tuesday, and they are going to start installing the windows on Thursday. Other stuff that happened today that's probably not so visible is between all of those ceiling rafters, there's been blocking installed. Well, I'd say 3/4 in. There's at least 3/4 of the blocking is done from the center of the screen right there, where that window is, all the way towards the right has all been blocked out, which is good, because that is necessary to close up the structure, and also just kind of plugs up some holes that shouldn't be there, and we don't want to forget about as we move forward. So yeah, so the blocking was done today. Definitely some nice work on the fascia. As you can see where the ladder is, the aluminum ladder, that wall has been framed up on the inside, and not only framed up, it's been sheathed on the outside, which is good. There's a little bit of tweaking to do on this wall over here that's in the center of the frame that needs to be adjusted in one spot where there's a bit of a wave in it. So it'll be easy enough to rip the sheathing off, do a little bit of minor tweaking, and put the sheathing back on. As you can also see, a fair bit of cleanup has been done. I know it still looks like a bomb went off here with a lumberyard, but all the scrap wood that was here in the previous videos has all been cleaned up and tidied. Obviously, we've got some going to the recycling center, where the unused wood and things like that, or the used wood, I should say, that's small pieces, get shredded up to be made into other wood products like mulch and things like that. And then, because we're into sustainable recycling here. And then over there, anything that was salvageable in terms of reasonable length timbers was stacked over there by size, so that we have material that we can do anything else we need to do with framing that comes up, or anything that needs to be done. Maybe make some workbenches or something, and frame up some of the storage rooms, which are where the individual man doors are on the outside wings. So that's what's kind of going on here. I'm about to head inside and go check out what's been done inside. I haven't been in there yet today, but I'm anxious to go see it. So if there's anything of note, I'll take a video of it for today. If not, you can expect a video again in about 2 days, on Thursday or possibly Friday, in which case I will definitely be over here showing what it looks like with some of the video, or some of the windows in place in the next video. All right, stay tuned, everybody. Thanks.